Okay, so it's Angela from Bella Grace's Soapworks. We're going to do a test today. I think I might have perfected my new recipe for bath truffles. So we're just filling my little bathroom sink up with hot water. And this is the actual bath truffle we're testing today. This is about 5 ounces. It's a nice, big, chunky one, very pretty. And I've got a little tester one right here. So the bath truffle is a cousin of the bath bomb. It is not the same as a bath bomb. It's not designed to fizz and spin and act all crazy. But this is more for soaking. But this one has got kind of the best of all the worlds. It's got the color. It's got the beautiful fragrance that blooms. It's got emollients in it, like rich with cocoa butter. I added some oatmeal to this. So these are not going to float. Let's add a little bit more water. These are not going to float. They're probably going to sink. And all right, let's see what it does. Are you ready? Nervous? Here we go. It makes bubbles, as you can see. It does fizz, and it's turning the water pink. This is in the black raspberry and vanilla fragrance, and you can see that it's really bubbling, and it's starting to turn the water pink. Let me show you what it looks like. It's amazing. Smells fabulous. You're right. So, see how the water is turning pink? This is just a little bitty one, and it's still fizzing like crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I just love this. I just feel like this is a success. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know about you, but I love pink water. It's so pretty. And then this, if you agitate the water, you'll get more bubbles. But look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love this. And the smell. Oh, black raspberry and vanilla. This is just a wonderful fall fragrance. That floral, but still that fall berry smell. Oh, I love it. So the one thing I mostly want to test about this is, you can see it's not coloring me, and it's not coloring the sides of the tub either. Well, this is my sink. And this is an enamel porcelain sink. Oh my God, that's so pretty. Is there any left? Yeah, look. It's a slow fizz, so it's not going to do all that spinning and crazy stuff. And oh my gosh, it feels really good on your skin. Yeah, just give it a little agitation, and you got those luscious bubbles. Well, I'm thinking this is a success. Look at that. Oh, I'm so happy. This is like the best of all the worlds. Bath bomb, fragrance, cocoa butter, soaking, oatmeal. What's that?
The fragrance isn't overwhelming.
No, it's not. It's a good level. That's Carol. Hi, Carol.
Hi, Angela.
Yeah, it's not an overwhelming fragrance, but you're gonna smell amazing coming out of the tub. You see my hands are not stained, and neither is the side of the basin, and it's still foaming. So what? We're 3 minutes in. Well, of course, I spent 20 seconds just filling up the water, but look at that pretty water. Oh my gosh, I don't want to dump this out. I just want to jump in there. All right, everybody, I'm going to get this posted so you can see it, and I think I finally got it. So, love you all. Talk to you later. Bye.